Want to cleanse your heart and soul in under 60 seconds? Here's how. Take a deep breath and join me in a moment of spiritual reflection. Reciting Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi means glory and praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. By repeating this simple phrase 100 times, you can invite immense blessings and serenity into your life. It's said that doing this daily can wash away your sins like the foam of the sea. So, let's embrace this powerful act of devotion together and feel the peace and grace of the Almighty envelop us. Ready? Let's begin. Subhanallahi wa bihamdihi. Keep going and let the tranquility flow over you. You're doing great. Almost there. And done. May this bring you peace and blessings.